Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is descending order. Descending order part 2. My dear students, today is our lesson number 11 of annual term and today's HW number will be 11. My dear students, in our previous class we have already learned descending order 1 and its basic. Now we shall solve two problem as CW and another two problem will be your HW. So before starting to class, at first we need to know what is descending order. Descending order means greater to a smaller form, Some numbers are given, they are not arranged. We arrange that number in descending form. Descending form, that means greater to smaller. So suppose number 5 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers, they are not arranged. That means 1882, 1920, 1256, 1500, 1230. They are not arranged in ascending order or descending order, or they are not arranged in smaller to greater or greater to smaller. So we need to arrange the number in descending form. That means we arrange the number is greater to smaller form. That means first of all we find the greatest number. Which number is the greatest number among the whole number? So notice here at first we write the place value of each digit of a number. Here 2 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 8 is in 100 place and 1 is in 1000 place. Another 0 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 9 is in 100 place and 1 is in 1000 place. 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in 100 place and 1 is in 1000 place. 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 5 is in 100 place and 1 is in 1000 place. Similarly, 0 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in 100 place and 1 is in 1000 place. My dear students, in order to find the greatest number, at first we notice the 1000 place digit. That means here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. So among the 5 number we notice that the 1000 place digit are same. That means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we go to the next places, that means 100 place number. Here 8, 9, 2, 5, 2. That means from 8, 9 to 5, 2. Which digit is greater? We notice 9 is greater among the 8, 9, 2, 5 and 2. So this number, that means 1920 is the greatest number among these 5 number. So first of all we write this number, that means 1920. So first one is done and left 4 number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we notice 1000 places 1, 1, 1, 1, they are same. So we notice the next place, that means 100 place, here 8, here 2, here 5, here 2. So 8 is the greatest among 8, 2, 5 and 2. So 1882 is the greatest number among these 4 number. That means we write 1882 and this is done. Okay, we make a circle. Then left 3 digit, 3 number 1, 2, 3. So first of all we notice 1000 place 1, 1, 1. Both are they are same, but the 100 place are different. Here 2, here 5, here 2. So from 2, 5 and 2, 5 is greater among 2, 5 and 2. So we can say that 1005 is the 500 is the greatest number among these 3 number. So next we write 1500. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next 2 number left, 1256 and 1230. My dear student, notice here 1000 place same 1, 1, here 100 place same 2, 2. So now we notice the tens place number. Here is 5, here is 3. From 5 and 3, which is greater? 5 is greater than 3. So we can say this number is greater than this one. That means 1256 is greater than 1230. So, we write 1256, this one is done, and left which number and this number. So, this is the smallest number among the whole number. So, we write 1230 at last. I hope you have understood. Now, we check our answer is right or wrong. Notice 1920, 1882, 1500, 1256, 1230. So, from this series we can easily notice that they are arranged in descending order, that means greater to smaller form. So, our first one, that means question number 5 is done. Next we shall solve question number 6. I hope you have understood how to solve question number 5, because you have already do 2 classes about descending order, and I also know you are very smart learner. You can easily understand how can we write descending order. So, my dear students, notice here 6 number is 1325, 1950, 1210, 1053, 1850. So, at first we write the place value of the number, digit of the numbers, that means 5 is in 1's place, 2 is in 10's place, 3 is in 100 place, and 1 is in 1000 place. Similar as 0 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place, 9 is in 100 place, and 1 is in 1000 place. 0 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place, 2 is in 100 place, and 1 is in 1000 place. Here 3 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place, 0 is in 100 place, and 1 is in 1000 place. 0 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place, 8 is in 100 place, and 1 is in 1000 place. My dear students, at first we notice the 1000 places to find out which number is largest. So, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, 1000 place digit are same from all the numbers. So, we can take a decision which number is greatest, because all the 1000 places numbers are same. Next we shall notice the 100 place number, 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 3, 9, 3, 9, 2, 0 and 8. So, notice 3, 9, 2, 0, 8. So, from this 5 digit, which one is greatest? Yes, the number 9 is greatest among 3, 5, 2, 0 and 8. So, we can take a decision that this number is the greatest number among these 5 numbers. So, we write this at first as a greatest number. Okay? I hope you have understood. Now, left 1, 2, 3, 4 digit from 4 number. So, from this 4 number we can take a decision which number is greatest and which number is lowest. So, which number is greatest? 1000 place number are same, digit are same, and 100 place digit 3, 2, 0 and 8. From this 100 place digit, that means 3, 2, 0 and 8, which number is greatest? 8 is greatest. So, we can say that this one is the greatest number among these 4 number, and we write this number 1850. Okay? Next, left 3 digit, 3 number, number 1325, 1210, 1053. So, from these 3 number we notice the 1000 place number, but they are same. So, we cannot take a decision which number is greatest. So, to take decision we consider the 100 place digit, here 3, here 2, here 0. So, 0, 2 and 3 is greater. So, this one is the next greatest number. So, I write this number 1325, and this one is done left 2, this one and this one. Here you notice 1000 place number are same. So, we cannot take decision which one is greatest. Next we consider the 100 place number, here is 2 and here is 0. So, from this 2 digit we notice 2 is greater than 0. So, 1210 is the greatest number between these 2 numbers. So, we write this number 1210 and left 1053, and it is the smallest number among the 5 number. I hope you have understood question number 5. My dear student, question number 7 and question number 8 will be your SW. And you notice this 6 number will be started 1325 and this is also 1325. So don't write this as your SW. You write this 7. 1325 and 2000. Okay, I hope you have understood, and you must write this 7 and 8 number. Okay, 7 and 8 number. So my dear students, you must do your assign SW in your SW copy, and today's SW number will be 11. You must give your SW number at top of the page and also write the heading descending order part 2. Descending order part 2. If you don't write the SW number, then I cannot understand which SW number will be. So my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture, and do your assign SW very regularly and submit it regularly by your parents or any other person. Your parents or any other person can submit your SW in your school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM and collect it next Sunday after completing your checking copy. Your copy checked properly by your subjective teachers. So my dear students, submit your SW, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.